Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, midpoint theorem and find the solutions of the given questions. Example 11th and another one is the question. In the previous video, we learn section formula and solve the example 10th question. This is my telegram link, Satvir Academy SSC. Join my group. Link is given in the description. Section formula m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Here AB is a line segment. This line segment is divided equally. So that is called midpoint of the line segment. Let P is divide the line segment 1:1 ratio, equal ratio. So m1 is to 1, m2 is also 1. So substitute in the above equation, above formula. 1 into x2 1x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 x1 by 1 plus 1. 1 into y2 y2 plus 1 into y1 y1 by 1 plus 1. Therefore, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So, this is the formula. Midpoint. To find the midpoint of the line segment equal to sum of x coordinates by 2 and sum of y coordinates by 2. Okay. Next, observe the 11th question. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 3, 0 and -1, 4. So, let A and B are the endpoints of the line segment A, B. Let P is a point of the midpoint of line segment AB. P is a point midpoint of AB. So, midpoint equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So, substitute the values. P equal to x1 means first point x coordinate, x2 means second point x coordinate. So 3 plus -1 by 2. Similarly, sum of y coordinates 0 plus 4 by 2. Okay. Next one, 3 plus -1. One positive integer, one negative integer. Their sum is equal to difference of that numbers. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. 0 plus 4, 4 by 2. So 2 by 2 equal to 1 and 4 by 2 equal to 2. So 1, 2 is the required point or midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to 1, 2. Okay. Okay, students. Next question. Center of the circle is 2, 3 and one point of the diameter of the circle is B 1, 4. Then find the second point of the diameter. ఇది ఇంతకుముందు వచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్, ఎగ్జామ్లో వచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్. ఇది మనకి కనెక్షన్ అంటే జామెట్రీకి కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీకి రిలేషన్ చేస్తూ ఇచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్. మరి ఇక్కడ సర్కిల్ లోపల తీసుకున్నప్పుడు సెంటర్ ఇచ్చిండు, సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఇచ్చిండు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డ్రా ద రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్. ఓకే, సెంటర్, diameter. So diameter end points A and B. Center is O. O is 2, 3. One end point of the diameter B 1, 4. A point is not given. Let x, y. So we know that center is midpoint of the diameter. Center is midpoint of the diameter. So right of all diameter end points A x, y, B 1, 4. Next one, center equal to 2, -3. Okay, these are the points are given in the data. So next one, midpoint of diameter is equal to center of circle. Center of circle. So use midpoint formula. So midpoint formula, sum of x coordinates by 2 or x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay. Next one, y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. So substitute the values, x plus 1 by 2, y plus minus 4 by 2, y plus minus 4 by 2 equal to 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. Here observe the LHS and RHS. LHS side 2 and minus 3 are the coordinates. RHS side x plus 1 by 2 is the x coordinate. Y plus minus 4 by 2 is the y coordinate. Two order pairs are equal, then their x coordinates equal and y coordinates are equal. So therefore first one is 2 equal to x plus 1 by 2. 2 equal to x plus 1 by 2. So 2 is divide the RHS transpose to LHS, 2 2 is 4. 4 is equal to x plus 1. Plus 1 is transposed to the right side to left side. 4 minus 1 is equal to x. Then x is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3. Next one, equal y coordinates. So same one, minus 3 equal to y minus 4 by 2. Plus into minus minus y minus 4 by 2. 2 is transposed to from right to left. Minus 3 2 is 6 equal to y minus 4. Minus 4 is also transposed from left right to left to get minus 6 plus 4, that is equal to y. So y equal to minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 2. Therefore the required A is equal to 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. Okay. 3 comma minus 2 is the required point. So observe the question. Answer. Center is given of the circle 2 comma minus 3. Diameter end point is B 1 comma minus 4. Find the second point. So second point manam x comma y anukundam. We know that midpoint of the diameter is center. So x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2. Y plus minus 4 by 2 equal to minus 3. So these are the linear equations, one variables to solve the equations. So 2 equal to x plus 1 by 2. In the denominator 2 is transposed to the left side. 2 2 is 4. 4 equal to x plus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to x. X is equal to 3. Second one is minus 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 2. Minus 6 is equal to y minus 4. Minus 4 is transposed to left side. Minus 6 plus 4 equal to y. Y equal to minus 2. Therefore A is equal to 3 comma minus 2. Okay students. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.